lovelies, Akwaba. Welcome to my channel. Welcome back to another vlog. So guys, even though I've been uploading for the filming, it's been a while since I've really sat down to film and talk to you guys. And this morning I just wanted to catch up. There's this thing that I've been going through. You know, it's not easy to live in the remote parts of the country. I've already said on this channel here that I work in a village. The institution I work with is located, a branch is located in the village, and that's where I am working. I'm working with the branch in the village. So I live here in the village for convenience sake. So and it's not been easy. Life in the village is not really as in the city. There are rules and regulations in Ghana, but it is less enforced in the village than it is in the city. For instance, the house I live in, the landlord doesn't live here. He lives in a different town, but his son is here. He's in his apartment, and we are also the tenants. We are also in our apartment. For instance, I'm in my apartment. The son of the landlord is in his apartment, and there's one tenant in another apartment. A neighbor just moved in. We share fence wall with the person, and you know, here in Ghana, in the village, you can do your backyard gardening, backyard rearing of animals, not on a large scale but on a small scale. So the neighbor that just moved in decided to do poultry, just small poultry, and then goat rearing. And guys, as you guys can hear in some of my vlogs, I will be filming and you hear the cock crowing and stuff like that. You know, the ones that usually crows in my vlogs, when you hear them randomly, they usually come from outside. You know, with these animals, it's usually free range here in Ghana. So not in Ghana, but in the village side of Ghana. So sometimes they jump the fence wall to come in, move around the compound, and they'll be crawling, and then it will be disturbing my vlog. But you guys know it's animals, so there's not really nothing I can do. So this one I'm talking about, the one we share fence wall with, it's just right after our fence wall. So in the morning, it's not usually the ones that you hear in my vlogs. Forgive me for hearing those things, but sometimes I'll be saying something important and then it will crow, so I can't cut that part out. Those chickens, they come in the afternoon, and sometimes I film in the afternoon. But this one I'm talking about, in the morning they will be disturbing, and the goats in the morning they will jump the fence wall, and then they will be moving around the compound, doing their sound, disturbing people. And it usually happen around, they can come as early as 7:30 when people are preparing to go to work. And it's not like I can't complain to the landlord, but it's animal. We drive them away, but they will still come back. Even the son of the landlord, his hands are tied, because last week I heard him driving them away. It's really annoying. It's really annoying. It disturbs us, but it takes someone who really have empathy to do something about his or her animals for you to have your peace of mind. Because the village, the rules are not as the enforceability is not as in the city. So it takes someone who really has empathy to see your side of the story and then work with you. The goats, what they do is they usually sit on the fence wall. There's a plantain tree there. They will come and eat the leaves. I'll show you guys. So yes, this is what they eat, that one. And so early morning they're on the fence wall eating the plantain leaves, guys, and disturbing us. And they will not keep quiet and eat their food. They will the sound that they will be making it and disturbing the whole house. And the chicken too, this one is new, so they'll be crawling and disturbing my vlog. It's really annoying. We really don't know how to do it. And the thing is, this house is peaceful. It's really peaceful. So when I was doing house hunting, I saw a lot of house with sophisticated and modern stuff. Here in the remote part, people are troublesome. So I moved from one place to here, and I moved from that place because I didn't have peace at the house. And I saw similar environments and buildings when I was doing apartment hunting. There are certain signs that told me that place could not be as peaceful. It could be the same as where I'm coming from, so I shouldn't. But when I came here, I didn't just rented it. I took my time. I gave it some ways to do my survey and stuff like that, and eventually I came to the conclusion that this place is peaceful. And indeed, this place is peaceful. Ever since I've moved in, I moved in about a year ago, and if it hadn't been this animal that has been disturbing, I haven't had any trouble. I haven't had any issue to complain in this house. So, guys, it's not easy. It's not easy. If any of you who are Ghanaians and that lives in diaspora wants to ever move back to settle in Ghana, or not settle either permanently or temporarily, don't think of going to the remote part of the country, because wow, a few things will disturb you. It's really annoying. So yeah, guys, today I just wanted to vent this piece of my life with you. I hope everyone is doing well by the grace of God. Not a lot is happening today, not really. I'm just doing normal house. So I will see you guys in the next clip. Good morning, guys. Today is another day. So guys, it's been more than a week since I last talked to you because I was very busy with work. And today is the day that I'm finally off work duty. So I'm going to return the charger that I bought from Jumia, because guys, I'm not going to buy just a charger for $50. No. So now that I have the time, I'm going to return it. So let's go. So these are a few things I got from the farmers market as well. So this is plantain, green bell pepper, some carrots, and lime. afternoon. Do you remember the last time I told you a goat has been disturbing me with my food preservation by drying it in the sun? Yeah, that I needed ideas. So guys, I've got an idea. I found this box from work, the pharmaceutical department. Yes. So I decided to, this is how it is. So how do you open it? I remember I opened it once, but I forgot to. Yeah. So this is how it is. So what I'm thinking of doing is I'm going to line it with plastic rubber bag, and then I'll put the cassava on it and dry it so that when the animal gets inside the house, it will not be able to determine whether there's a cassava in it. So this is what I plan on doing. So that's an idea I've got. Good morning, guys. So I'm on my way to visit my friend. I met this friend through church, and she has been waiting for me to visit her for a long time because I promised to visit her, and I haven't had the time to visit her. But today I finally have the time because I'm off work duty. So I decided to make it a point to visit her today. So guys, let's go and visit her.